to the session on profit and loss. This is the very important topic in a day-to-day life because every shopkeeper, every merchant, everybody thinks of profit and loss. Now, to learn more about profit and loss, we should know some of the key points. What are the key points? First one is cost price. It is I am denoting this cost price as CP. Now, what is this cost price? The cost price is the price at which product, goods, or material is purchased. So, cost price is the price at which the goods is purchased. Second one is selling price. This I'll denote it as SP. This is the price at which the product is sold. So this is the price at which product is sold is called as selling price. Now, if suppose selling price is more than cost price, selling price is more than cost price, then you will make a profit. So this profit is calculated as selling price minus cost price. So if the selling price is more than cost price, then you will make a profit. Now if selling price is less than the cost price, then you will lose the money because you have purchased at higher cost and you are selling at a lower price. So then it is called as a loss, which is equal to cost price minus selling price. So this profit and loss, but normally we will not measure the profit and loss in terms of the whole number. This is measured in terms of the percentage. So percentage profit or percentage loss is always measured with respect to cost price. Loss or the profit is always measured with respect to cost price. So percentage profit equal to profit by cost price into 100. That is SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. So this is the percentage profit. So similarly percentage loss. So in the loss is incurred when cost price is more than the selling price, but still it is always measured with respect to cost price only. So loss divided by CP into 100. That is CP minus SP divided by CP into 100. So whenever selling price and the cost price is known, then you can find out the percentage profit or percentage loss. Now suppose one of the parameters is unknown because here three variables are related: percentage loss or percentage gain, percentage profit, selling price and cost price. So if suppose selling price and cost price is known, then you can find out percentage loss or percentage profit. Suppose percentage profit or percentage loss is known and you are not knowing the cost price, then you can calculate cost price also because three variables are interrelated. So from the known profit or loss, how to calculate a selling price as well as the cost price. So this selling price SP equal to 100 plus percentage gain divided by 100 into CP. So if the cost price is known and percentage gain is known, so this is 100 plus percentage gain divided by 100 into CP. So this percentage gain is positive if profit. Positive if it is a profit. Percentage gain is negative if loss. So this means 100 plus percentage profit divided by 100 into CP, or it can be 100 minus percentage loss divided by 100 into CP. So how to find out a cost price? So this cost price CP is equal to 100 divided by 100 plus percentage gain into SP. So this is 100 divided by 100 plus percentage gain into SP. So this percentage gain is positive if profit, negative if loss. So to find out the selling price or cost price, if profit or loss is known and other parameters known, can be calculated using this formula. So these are the key formulas which you should know before applying or before solving the problems on profit and loss. Let us solve some problems on profit and loss. See, in a transaction, the profit percentage is 80% of the cost. If the cost further increased by 20%, but the selling price remains the same, how much decrease in a profit percentage? See here, read the question. Initially, profit percentage is 80% of the cost, and suppose if the cost prices increase by 20%, but the selling price remains the same, how much is the decrease in the profit? This is normally happens in the shops, right? So initially they will purchase at rupees of 100, then they will sell at 150, for example. Then suddenly there is while purchasing, instead of the 100 they will purchase at 110, but the shopkeeper must sell at 150 only because to attract the customer. So in such a case, the percentage gain reduces, profit reduces. So similar problem is given here. So here the question is how much decrease in a profit percentage. So in this it is not asked what is the cost price, not a selling price. So in such a case, we can assume initial cost price. Let cost price be 100. So here it is not asked what is the selling price or cost price. If it is so, we can assume let cost price as X. So here percentage, decrease in percentage profit is asked. So I will assume cost price as 100. So cost prices if it is 100, based on the initial profit, what is the initial selling price? 80% more. So 100 plus 80, right? 100 plus 80 by 100, 80% into 100. So it is same as 80, so 180 rupees. correct? So this is based on the initial data. Now suppose if the cost is increased, further increases by 20%. So change in initial cost. What is the change in cost price? It is 20%. So what is the new cost price? What happens to new cost price? 100 is the initial plus 20, because 20 by 100 into cost price is 100 with respect to this 20% high. So 120. So new cost price. What is the new selling price? But selling price remains the same. So what is the new profit? New profit is equal to selling price remains the same, but cost price is increased to 120. So it is 60. So new profit is 60, but with respect to new cost price. So what is the new percentage profit? New percentage profit is equal to profit divided by, what is this? Cost price. Cost price is 120. So new cost price into 100. That is equal to 50%. So percentage profit, new percentage profit is 50%. So what is the decrease in profit percentage? So decrease in profit percentage equal to, what is the initial profit percentage? 80%. What is the new profit percentage? 50%. So decrease in profit percentage is 30%. Right? Next. Now see this problem. A man bought some toys at a rate of 10 for 40. 10 for rupees 40 and sold them at a rate of at 8 for 35. So cost of each toy set is not given. Some toys he purchased, but the quantity how many it is also not given. So if we find a profit or a loss for a one toy, it is remains the same as a profit or loss for the entire set of toys. Right? It is a percentage toys. Right? So here a man bought some toys, let it be as it is, at a rate of 10 for 40 rupees. So what is the cost price of one toy? For 10 it is a 40, so 40 by 10, that is rupees 4. So cost price of one toy is rupees 4. So he sold them at 8 for 35. So selling price of one toy, it is 35 by 8. Right? 35 by 8. Now among this, which one is a larger? Cost price is larger or selling price is larger? Selling price is a more. So since it is the selling price is the more, he makes a profit. Suppose if the selling price is more than the cost price, then he makes a profit. So what is the profit? Profit is 35 by 8 minus 4. So by taking the LCM, it becomes 3 by 8. This is the profit from one toy. So percentage profit equal to profit, that is 3 by 8 whole divided by cost price 4 into 100, that is 3 by 8 into 4 into 100. So it is 1 sorry, it is not 1 by 4. So 300 by 32. So which is equal to 9.375%. So in the question it is asked whether it is gain or loss. So it is a profit because selling price is more than the cost price. Let us see the next problem. The cost price of 10 pence is same as the selling price of n pence. If there is a loss of 40%, approximately, what is the value of n? So cost price of 10 pence is same as the selling price of n pence. So let x be the cost of 1 pen. So what happens to cost of 10 pen? Cost of 10 pen is 10x. Now if the cost of 10 pen is 10x, what is the cost of n pence? Equal to nx. Now what is the selling price of n pence? See, here it is given the cost price of 10 pence is the same as selling price of n pence. So selling price of n pence is cost price of 10 pence. So that is 10x. So here we don't know whether this nx is more or 10x is more. But here it is given if there is a 40% loss. Here it is given there is a 40% loss. So that means cost of n pence is more than cost price of n pence is more than selling price of n pence. So loss equal to, here it is given it is the loss, so nx minus 10x. So percentage loss equal to nx minus 10x divided by cost price nx, and it is given again this into 100 equal to, it is given as 40, because in the question it is given loss of 40%. So what happens? N minus 10 divided by n, x gets cancelled, equal to 40 by 100. So n minus 10 equal to 0.4 n. Cross multiply. So taking to this one, 0.6 n equal to 10, n equal to 10 by 0.6 equal to 16.67. So it is approximately 70. Because here it is given loss of 40% approximately. What is the value of n? So when n equal to 40%, n is equal to 17, then loss is approximately 40%. Okay, next. A man bought two bicycles for 2500 each. A man bought two bicycles for 2500 each. If he sells one at a profit of 5%, then how much should he sell the other so that he makes a profit of 20%? Now, what it means? How much should he sell? So that this one. So what is the one selling price? So now here two bicycles, each of cost price is 2500 and 2500. So total initial investment, total cost price is 5000. Right? So here he will make a profit by selling a one cycle is 5%. So by one cycle he will make a 5% profit. So what is the selling price of this so that total he makes 20%? Correct? So here this what percentage I don't know. I'll take this as X. So what happens? So total percentage it is given. So selling price of one cycle plus selling price of second cycle equal to selling price in whole. Correct? Selling price of this plus selling price of this cycle, another cycle, together it should make this. So cost price is known, percentage profit is known. Then how to find out a selling price? So this is 100 plus 5 divided by 100 into 2500. So this is the selling price of first bicycle plus, see here what is asked, how much should he sell? Not in terms of percentage. So I will take this as SP2 only. Selling price of second bicycle equal to, he should make a total profit of 20%. So 100 plus 20 divided by 100 whole thing into 5000. So he should make a 20% profit on 5000. So what is the SP2? It will come as. So this is what will happen, 100, this goes cancel. So 120 into 50 minus 100 gets cancelled. So 105 into 25. So if you do the calculation, so you will get it is as 120 into 50 is 6000 minus 105 into 25. 2500, 2625. That is equal to 3375. So this must be the selling price. Selling price of the second bicycle is 3375. 375. So percentage profit on second bicycle, if suppose it is asked, equal to selling price 3375 minus cost price of each bicycle is 2500, divide by 2500 into 100. So these two gets cancelled, so it becomes 875 by 25, that is equal to how much it is? 35%. So this x equal to 35%. So one cycle he is selling at a profit of 5%, then he must sell another bicycle at 35% profit, so that overall profit becomes 20%. Okay, we'll see the next. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the market price, and still he gains 17% on the whole. Find at what percent above the cost price did he mark his goods. Now, before solving this, what do you mean by mark price? What do you mean by mark price? So this mark price is somewhat similar to MRP, maximum retail price. So here it is mark price is the price which is set by a shopkeeper or a merchant. Okay, it is above the cost price, and he will presume expecting some profit. Okay, so this mark price is the price set by the merchant or the shopkeeper, is called as a mark price. Then discount or rebate is concession on market price. Concession on the market price. So market price is the price set by the retailer. So maximum retail price. Okay, now coming to this particular problem, a shopkeeper allows a discount of 10% on the market price, and still he gains a profit of 17% on the whole. So I'll assume initial cost price as 100, because here find at what percentage above the cost price did he mark. Here is not a cost price is asked, so I will assume cost price as 100. Now if the cost price is 100, so overall profit, still he gains 17% on whole. So profit equal to 100 plus 17%, that is 117. Now on cost price 17% profit means this is the selling price 117, but this is selling price is 10% discount on market price. So let X be the market price. So 10% discount means 90% of X. 90% of X equal to 117. That is 90 by 100 of x equal to 117. So x equal to 130. X equal to 130. That is, this is the market price. Now, what is the question? Find at what percent above the cost price did he mark his goods. So this is the mark price. So what is the percentage? Percentage above cost price equal to market price 130 minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. So that means it is 30%. So 30% above the cost price he marked his goods. I hope all of you enjoyed as well as learned this session on profit and loss. To learn more on profit and loss, also other aptitude sessions, subscribe the channel Sambodhaka. Thank you.